there are many questions that come to your mind when a doctor tells you that you are having cataract and you need to undergo surgery. Let's address the most common of those questions in this video today. Hi, I'm Dr. Krishna Poojita from Pixel Eye Hospital. The first one, once the cataract surgery is done, will I get cataract again? No, you will not get cataract again. In cataract surgery, we remove the opaque lens in entirety and an artificial lens is placed in its place. So a cataract and an artificial lens cannot form again. So you will not develop a cataract again after a surgery. Second, what is the life of a lens? It's a common misconception that certain lenses, the cheaper lenses, are only valuable, or their only life or shelf life is only about few years, and more expensive lenses are better. That is a misconception. All the lenses that are made are of biocompatible material and they more or less work well almost entire life. The third question is, are there any eye drops to treat cataract, or surgery is the only option? Well, there is a lot of research that is going on to find those eye drops which can treat cataract. Lanosterol is one of them, and there's a lot of research going on, but nothing has been proven yet and nothing has been conclusive enough to use clinically on patients. So currently, cataract surgery is the only way to deal with a cataract. Can the lens that is implanted be changed later? Usually what happens is the lens that we put inside the eye, after a period of about 1 month or 2 months, it gets fixed or fibrosed to the tissues around it. So removing a lens after that duration can be quite a complex procedure, and it may not really have very favorable outcomes. So unless indicated where there are some problems because of which we have to remove the lens, it is not something that is routinely done. Will I be given injection or anesthesia during cataract surgery? Well, yes. Normal expectation of anesthesia is we become unconscious and we will lie down and we don't realize what is happening. But that doesn't happen in cataract. We use drops which are topical anesthetic drops. So drops are put into the eye and the surgery happens. You are very well in conscious, you are able to hear what's going on, you are able to communicate with the doctor, then the doctor is talking to you to not move your eye or look in a certain direction, but you will not feel pain. There are also certain conditions where we might have to give injections around the eye, and that is how we anesthetize the eye. Is admission required for a cataract surgery and how many days? The current form of cataract surgery, like we have discussed in other videos, is really advanced. So once the surgery is done, once the discharge process is done, you can straight away go home and start using your drops, and there is no admission required for any number of days in the current form of cataract surgery. Another common misconception is, should I sit in darkness after the surgery, or is light okay, either natural or artificial light? Well, there is no regulation that you should not sit in a well-lit room or you should not go out in the sun. Maybe for a day or two after cataract surgery, there could be light sensitivity or some sort of watering on exposure to light. In those cases, you can sit in ambient comfortable lighting, but there is no regulation, and after that you can do whatever you want. But there is no regulation from our side that you should sit in darkness for a better health or better eye health. In fact, you should actually get used to the ambient light and natural light. Many times in cataract, what happens is the cataract is making your vision very dull. So after the removal of cataract and once the lens is placed, there is fair amount of light that is going into the eye. So suddenly the patients may feel that the light is too bright. But that is how it was supposed to be. The cataract has only dulled it over the past many years without you realizing. So you need to get used to the kind of light that is around. So I would definitely not recommend sitting in a dark area or turning off the lights. It is wiser to get used to your natural surroundings so that you adjust to the artificial lens faster. Is an eye patch necessary after a cataract surgery? Well, again, like I said, the modern day cataract surgery is having only about 2.8 to 2.2 millimeter cuts. So there is no hard and fast requirement of an eye patch after the surgery is done. We mostly just give the protective glasses and the patient is fit to go home. However, if you are more comfortable that way, or if your surgeon feels it is necessary, they may put an eye patch after the surgery. Well, these are the common questions that we encounter for anyone who is planning to go for a cataract surgery. I hope I have cleared most of your doubts. If you have any more questions, please let us know. We'll try to address it in further videos.